is to network, to understand what we are trying to do, and then to get involved on those platforms.
The work of the center is to promote decarbonization in 8 partner countries through strategic research programs focused on 3 key pillars.
So tell me a little bit about RUMC. RUMC started its journey in Malaysia as Penang Medical School. So it was built to address the need to have medical school in the north of the country in Penang.
First of all, I want to congratulate to the leadership of Malaysia in terms of ASEAN Summit meeting in 2025.
So also we support our parent company in terms of the operations, building up of producing talents for the country and for the company.
Transportation being down, imagine food security being affected and so on. That also affects or directly influences the economic stability of any country.
ERAB can become a factor of growth. So I think both of us believe in that.
Now recently known as grid system operator. So I used to work in the control room for the past 12 years.
Below tier 1, there is tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 and tier 5 as well. So
when the power from the outside is blacked out, okay, power down, we can use this device to form our own grid. Okay, so
a lot of threats, issues, and policy issues about this experiment. So we will dive into discussing topics related to that.